Angik and welcome to my channel. And this was just an introduction video about what I would be doing in my channel, what I would be sharing. It's about travel, food, my life experiences, and all other stuff that I do in my daily life. I'll be sharing through this channel, and I hope that you like my editing and the details about the channel. And I request you to please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it as much as possible. Thank you for today, and very soon I'll be visiting a place and I'll be sharing the video of that as well. Thank you. Bye bye.